always dreamed, starting out our life together. The light is in your eyes, love is in our hearts. I can't believe you're really mine forever. Been rehearsing for this moment all my life, so don't act surprised if the feeling starts to carry me away.
Kakilala ni Richard. Kakilala ko yun sa month ko sa internship. So, sa school namin yun sa Cabanatuan. So, nakilala ko siya na masiyahin tsaka talagang bida lagi sa kwentuhan. So, mabait, tsaka, ayun, basta, palangiti yun. Tsaka mahilig sa picture. Kung paano ko siya. So, lately, syempre, hindi namin sinasadya na nagka-surf sa internet. So, nagkaroon kami ng communication by text or phone. And then, hindi namin akalain na na-develop kami sa pag-uusap na gano'n. So, siguro, talagang naisip ko na si Richard, in the future, sabi ko, na magandang kwan tsaka pagmahal siyang magiging parent ng magiging anak. And I really love her talaga nung nagkausap na kami. So, sinabihan ko na siya na kung seryoso ka, nasabi ko na sa parents ko. So, yun, nagulat siya. So, yun. So, sinabi niya sa parents niya na kami ng dalawang kasintahan. So, yun. So, Mama Richard, so, I love you. So, sana stay sweet. Saka, lagi mong tatandaan na mag-iingat ka lagi. Nandyan ako lagi sa tabi mo. Kung ano man yung mga desisyon mo tsaka gusto mong gawin, nandito na ako at supportahan kita. Kumbaga, mahirap at sa ginhawa. And then the last one is still that do us part. Love you.
I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand. Take my hand, and I will honor every word that I say on this day.
Everybody, tinatanong ako dito kung I was able to know Alfred that for a period of almost 10 years. We've been together with Alfred as my personal trainer dito sa Extremers World International. Personal observation ko sa kanya, the reason why I took him as my trainer, magaling siya magtrabaho. At saka marami kang matututunan sa kanya and pasensyoso siya. At pagdating sa quality of work, I think siya yung medyo nag-excel among others sa mga trainers ko. So, we've been close to one another for all those years until such time na nakarating na nga ako sa kanila, naging close din ako sa family niya, hanggang sa nakaalis na siya, pumunta ng Santi, we keep on communicating to one another. And this is also, when it comes to communications nga pala, by the way, actually, hindi ko pa rin narinig personally si Che. I think this is the same message that I'm going to impart to both of them, yung communication. Kasi yung quality of communication between couples is very important. Iyan din ang message na bibitaw ko sa kanila once they finalize the wedding. And I really hope na pagdating ng araw, maging maganda ang kanilang samahan. At nakikita ko naman, because mature na naman silang dalawa, I think those things are already known to both of them. Konting ano na lang siguro, konting sundot na lang para maalala nila yung mga messages kung binibitawan sa kanilang dalawa. Kasi ang tagal na rin namin magkakilala, yung family niya, ganun din, close na rin kami. So, So, I think hindi na masyadong mahihirapan ng yung pakikisama nila sa isa't isa. So, to both of them, good luck, and I'm looking forward of seeing your kids, and I love seeing them, hugging them, and kissing them. To both of you, good luck. Kung sakaling bigyan na tayo makikita dahil both of you will be going to Canada, sana mag-prosper kayong dalawa doon. So, we're looking forward of meeting you once again in the later part of, or sometime soon. Okay? Che, mahalin mo si Alfred. And to you also, Alfred, mahalin si Che. I think maganda ang inyong dalawang combination. Maganda ang inyong magiging samahan na medyo napoporto.
Not so long ago, this earth was just a field, a cold and lonely space without you. Now everything's alive, now everything's breathing, and the story of my life is all about you. Oh, if you feel the cold winds blowing through your nights, I will shout to you, I'm forever here to chase your fears away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here I stand, take my hand, and I will honor every word I say. On this I've been rehearsing for this moment all my life. So don't act surprised if the feeling starts to carry me away. On this day, I promise forever. On this day, I surrender my heart. Here we stand, like God planned. Please say you'll always look at me this way, like on this day. On this day.